Can a sneeze kill you? It sounds impossible, but it's real. When you sneeze, pressure builds up in your chest and head. If you try to hold it in, that pressure can explode internally. In rare cases, it has caused a ruptured throat, brain aneurysms, even a collapsed lung. In 2018, a man in the UK held in a sneeze and tore his throat open. Doctors had to insert a feeding tube. Others have suffered strokes or bleeding in the brain from a single violent sneeze. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, let it out. Follow for more facts that sound fake, but are 100% real.